That's how I'm gonna ask for food from now on. I'm just gonna lay on my couch and go. Oh god, what's it gonna be?
It's free real estate.
Fuck's sake. I feel bad for laughing at this shit. Laugh! Oh god. Oh. Oh my god, that's perfect! Oh, that's like beautiful comedy. Holy shit! The sound? And then the dust? Oh my god, and then he just whoop! That's fucking great! Holy crap! Oh, he sounded like he hurt himself bad though. Oh, Jesus, I hope you're okay, dude. Well, he got up and he shook it off, so get back out there, slugger.